Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Nathan Lucas, and if you're on this video right now because you want to learn how to make money online fast, I want to show you something that has absolutely changed my life, and that's no hype, for real. This has absolutely changed my life because I've been able to create a business online that has produced a life-changing income. And this month was my first $50,000 month. And I know that sounds crazy to some people, but I mean, even to me, that sounds crazy. But I'm going to show you guys proof of right now my earnings, and it excites me, and it should excite you and inspire you. And then I want to talk to you about exactly how I did this and how you guys can do the same thing inside your own online business. All right, so I'm going to flip the camera around here, and I'm just going to show you guys that, you know, these are some of the results that I've been having. So today I've made $2,300, okay? Yesterday I made $2,100. In the last week I made $16,000. And there it is, you guys. In the last month I was able to make over $50,000. All right? And, you know, like I said, that's still crazy to me. I'm so grateful that I stuck to this online business thing, all right? So here's what I want to share with you guys. First off, before I get into this and I share exactly what I've done and how you guys can do the same thing, I want to let you know that my #1 way to make money online and start a business that can give you results like this, I'll leave the link down below for you guys to click that link. You're going to put your email in, and you guys can get started today in exactly what I'm doing to grow an online business, okay? So first off, hopefully this helps you guys. I want this video to get you guys in the right mindset of what it really takes to get your business to 50 grand a month, because there's a lot of misconception out there. And you know, if you're looking to make money online fast, right, I want to teach you guys how to do it. And it's not what you think. And some of you may be disappointed of what I have to say in this video, but that's okay, because some people need to hear this. And here's the reality of it, you guys. With most opportunities online and most things that people teach you on how to make money fast online, okay, there are ways that you can make money fast online, and I do share some of those things right here on my channel. But what you have to understand about some of these ways to make money online and do it really quick, even overnight, you guys, those are not gonna allow you to grow a business that gives you freedom. All right, now my channel here on YouTube is called Freedom Influencer, and that's because I want to influence you guys to create a business in life that can give you freedom. All right, now with a lot of these different programs, they're not going to give you freedom. They're gonna, yeah, you can make a quick buck, but they're not scalable. And so when you're looking at business opportunities, when you're looking at ways to make money online, first of all, you want it to be scalable. Now, what do I, first of all, for those of you who don't know, what do I mean by scalable? So let's just say that you actually want to start your own online business, and you know, maybe you do click the link below and you get started in your own online business, okay? Here's what you have to understand about this. We are using the power of the internet to grow our business. And there's one word that I love. There's one word that I absolutely love when it comes to building an online business, and that is the word leverage. Now, what does that mean? Well, for example, and some of you may think that this is crazy what I'm about to share with you, and that's because it is. It's amazing. But, you know, me right now getting these results of in the last week making over $16,000 and making 50 grand in my online business in a single month, guess what? I still work a part-time or work a full-time job. I'm only building this business part-time. And I know that seems crazy, but I work a full-time job. And, you know, like today, check it out, right? I showed you this before. I made $2,300 today. Well, guess what? I went and I worked today. I had a full day at work. I came home, I went to the gym, I went and worked out, okay? I'm still going to prep for something that I have to do for work tomorrow. But guess what? I made more money in my online business than I did working all day at my job. And the reason is because I understood that when I wanted to grow a business, I wanted to leverage my time, leverage the internet. So that way my business is running for me in the background. And I also knew that that is the key and path to creating wealth in my life. And it's the same thing for you guys. There has to be a point where you understand that you leverage your time in a way that you're not always trading your time for money, okay? Now, I will tell you that you do have to sacrifice your time to make a business like this work. So if someone tells you that you literally just push a button and you're making money, it's probably a scam, all right? And honestly, I don't think there's too many scams out there nowadays in where people show you how to make money. One of the biggest industries that I would say be careful about, and I'm not saying it's all a scam, because I plan on investing in this myself, is cryptocurrency, all right? Bitcoin, blockchain, that sort of thing. Everyone has their opinions about that. But just be careful because there's a lot of programs out there that are scams, okay? But for the most part, a lot of people I get on my channel will comment and stuff like that, and they say, I've seen so many scams out there. I'm so sick of being scammed. And honestly, some of them, maybe they have been scammed by a cryptocurrency scam that's out there. But the reality is that most programs out there, they do work. They do work. Now, not all of them have all the tools and the coaching, and they're not as streamlined as what I share with you guys. But can people make money with them? Sure. I've made money with tons of different programs. But the reason why so many other people fail at this is because they quit too soon. So, I want to share with you guys in this video right now how to make money online fast. And this is the part where I told you guys, some of you may not like what I have to say here. And that is, you don't. You don't. You do not make money online fast. And I'm sorry to say that, but that's the way it works. And I know that some of you may be watching this right now and say, what are you talking about, dude? You just made 50 grand in a month. Yeah, I did. But do you know how long I've been grinding at my business? I'm dedicated to my business because I knew this was possible. I've been doing this for almost 3 years. And so here's what I want you guys to think about, okay? For those of you who want to make money fast, slow, steady is fast. So you need to find a business opportunity, get with affiliate marketing, or create your own product. You need to find what's in the marketplace right now, what's high in demand, and you either need to get with an affiliate program, okay, or you need to create a product that will serve that audience, okay? And then what you need to do is get your butt marketing. Now, what do I mean by marketing? If you do not have a budget to advertise to grow your business, like I didn't for the longest time, until like a couple weeks ago, you guys, well, here's what you need to do. You need to create content in that specific niche. Now, some people say, they're already lost in this. So let me explain this to you. You're going to create content in a specific niche that you have a product or service to sell something in. It's that simple, okay? That is your first step. That is how you make money online, is by creating valuable content in a specific niche, period. That is it. It's content marketing. Now, you can do this however you like. There's YouTube, there's Facebook, there's blogging, there's all these other social media platforms, Instagram, Snapchat, whatever, all right? The platform is almost irrelevant, okay? I choose to use YouTube, and then I do email marketing, okay? But you have to be able to generate traffic in a targeted niche, have a product or service in that niche to serve your audience, capture leads and build an email list, follow up with those leads, building trust, and then of course, giving them an offer, okay? A lot of people, they don't want to do all this, okay? Well, then guess what? Maybe online entrepreneurship is not for you, because in order to make money fast, you have to go slow. It will take time. But what I'm telling you is you have to determine, is it worth it? And I knew, listen, you guys, if I can do this, right? I'm nobody special. I work a full-time job. I'm in the military. I don't come from wealth. I don't come from a rich family. I lack in a lot of skill sets, okay? But guess what? I was determined, and I'm still determined to grow my business and to help more people, to inspire more people, to influence people, to understand that they can create a life of freedom by doing this, by growing an online business, all right? That is my passion. All right. My passion and what I believe I'm here for and why I'm doing all this, first and foremost, is for my family, for me and my family to create a life of freedom. The second reason is for you, because I believe that you can do the same thing, but you have to be dedicated. So if you truly want to just make money overnight, this is not for you. Okay. Online entrepreneurship is not for you. But if you're willing to just put in the work to follow success, because honestly, if you asked me exactly how I did this, right? What was my game plan? What was my strategy? It's simple. I found people out there who were already creating success, and I modeled after them. That's all I've done. And the thing that most people have in their mind as it's false, as misconception, is they say, well, if Nathan's doing this, if so-and-so's doing this, if someone else does, it's saturated, all right? It's saturated. The industry's saturated. There's no room for me. It just won't work. And I actually haven't talked about this in a long time on my channel, but I want to share a tip with you that literally it changed everything for me as far as mindset. And then I started taking action, just started marketing. Because then I knew, when I understood this, I knew there literally is no competition for me. And I want you to think about that. What if you had that kind of confidence like I have right now? I believe there's no competition for me. There is so much room for growth. And I know, and I'm not being cocky in any way, $50,000 a month, you guys, I used to dream about that. I used to dream about it. But guess what? What if I told you that you could have the confidence like I have to say, guess what? That's cute. I'm going to smash out double that, $100,000 a month. And then guess what I'm going to do? $100,000 day. All right. Now this is the mindset of next level thinking. But I want you to think about, what if you had that type of confidence? And I want to share with you exactly how I have that confidence and how I had it even before I had the results in my life and in my business. So I really want you guys to understand this, okay? Here it is. And so many people miss this. They don't understand this. But please internalize this and execute knowing this. People want to connect and follow other people, all right? And I'm sure you already know that, right? But there's a reason that you're still watching this video. There's a reason you're still watching this video. I don't know what it is. Maybe there's a slight chance that you have a connection with me. Maybe you believe me. Maybe I have inspired you. Great, then I've done my job. But there's a certain connection that you have to understand that nobody else has with you, all right? And so this is how I want you to think about this. You know, not everybody knows Tony Robbins, but he's a leader in personal development, in business. So I'm going to use him as an example because I know a lot of online entrepreneurs do know who Tony Robbins is. But let's just say that you and Tony Robbins were going to go speak on the same stage, okay, the same stage with the same message, promoting the same products, okay? Now, here's the thing. What if I told you there was a group of people in that audience who are never going to buy from Tony Robbins, no matter what he says? But that group of people are waiting to connect with you. They're waiting for you, and they would buy anything that you have to sell them. All right? And it's true. So when you have this mindset and you understand this, this is human nature. We naturally connect with humans, other humans, in a different way. So when you take this and you apply it to an online business and you say, okay, well, if I just start marketing, okay, and I start providing content, and I see other people doing the same thing, and I simply model after them, I know that a certain percentage of the marketplace is going to connect with me. They're going to connect with you, and they're going to buy from you. That even applies to me, you guys. You have people waiting to connect with you and to buy from you because they will connect with you over me. It doesn't matter if I get in front of them. They're waiting for you. So when you understand this and when you know this, you guys, this changed my business. It changed my business. It's how I've been able to grow to $50,000 in a single month, and how I'm going to grow even exponentially beyond that, because I understand that people are waiting to hear from me. And I understand that they will buy from me no matter what I promote. And the same thing with you guys. You can create a product, you can promote a product, it doesn't matter what it is. They will buy anything from you because of the connection that you make with other people. Okay? So, you guys, how did I do this, by the way? Some people might think that I've created a course or I've created a product. No, I have done this up to this point. I'm creating a $50,000 month without creating a single product. I've done it all of it through affiliate marketing. So I want to share with you guys exactly how to get started with affiliate marketing and starting your own online business, to hopefully I've inspired you that you can do this too and scale your business massively. Just understand, it doesn't happen overnight for everybody. Now, yes, some people have a big circle of influence and they grow massively successful businesses a lot faster than others. But what I'm telling you is that you can do it. Anybody can do this with dedication and sticking to it, okay? So I'm going to leave a link down below. When you put your email in there, in that link, I'm also going to send you my ebook, and it gives you eight steps, all right, how to grow an online business just like I have, all right? So I'll leave that down below, you guys. Let me know what you guys think of this video. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up. And if this is your first time here on my channel, guess what? This is here to influence you guys and help you create the business of your dreams so you can live a life of total freedom. So I invite you guys to go down, subscribe, hit the bell notification so that way you get more videos from me on how to make money online, how to make passive income, and create a life that you know that you can have, that you can obtain it. And I want to show you how to do it. All right, you guys, this is Nathan with Freedom Influencer. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.